Are you looking to make money from the comfort of your home? In today's digital world, working from home has become an increasingly viable and attractive option for many. Data entry jobs in particular offer a straightforward path to remote work. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student looking to earn extra income, or someone seeking full-time remote employment, data entry could be a great fit. It's a broad field, covering everything from basic typing to AI data labeling, and many of these roles pay decently for the time and effort involved. Let's take a closer look at 5 legitimate data entry jobs that can help you start earning online in 2025, with some even offering 6-figure potential. First data entry job on my list is Axion Data Services. For those with a high level of typing accuracy and experience in data entry, Axion Data Services offers reliable, steady work with opportunities for solid hourly pay. Established and trusted in the industry, Axion specializes in data entry services for various clients, offering remote work opportunities that require a commitment to quality and precision. How it works. Working with Axion involves accurately entering data into their systems, whether it's short forms that pay around 5 to 10 cents or longer forms that can net $5 to $9. These forms can take anywhere from 30 seconds to an hour, and while typical earnings hover around $18 per hour, this can vary based on job availability and individual productivity. You'll need to submit invoices bi-weekly, and payments are processed about a month after submission. Pros: high standards. Axion is well known for its reputation in the industry. Flexibility. You can work from home and set your own schedule, making it great for those with other commitments. Longevity. As a long-established company, there's potential for consistent long-term employment. Cons: strict entry requirements. You'll need prior data entry experience, and the speed requirement is 15,000 keystrokes per hour. Application fee. There's a $5 to $10 application fee, which can be off-putting but helps to screen serious applicants. Opportunity score: 7 out of 10. Axion's stringent entry criteria make it better suited for those with some experience, but its stability and flexibility make it a viable option. Next, Clickworker. Clickworker is a data entry platform that offers an ideal starting point for beginners looking to get into data entry. What sets Clickworker apart is its global reach and diverse range of tasks. This makes it easy to work from anywhere, at any time, giving workers flexibility and freedom to earn on their own terms. How it works. After registering and completing a qualification test, Clickworker grants access to an array of jobs, including basic data entry, web research, and AI training tasks like data labeling and image categorization. Clickworker has been branching into the AI industry, meaning there are often projects available for data work that contributes to machine learning models. As for pay, Clickworker users report that hourly rates can range around $10 or more, with some members reporting over $1,000 per month in their initial months. Pros: flexible hours. You can work anytime, anywhere. Perfect for digital nomads or those in lower-cost countries. Variety of tasks. The diversity of available work helps avoid monotony and builds different skill sets. Easy to start. The registration process is straightforward, and minimal prerequisites make it accessible to all. Cons: inconsistent task availability. Some users report waiting periods between tasks, which can affect overall earnings. Opportunity score: 9 out of 10. Clickworker's flexibility and diverse offerings make it an excellent option for beginners and experienced data workers alike. Another great data entry opportunity is Appen. Appen has carved out a solid reputation in the online job space, specializing in data entry and other digital projects. Known for its involvement in AI and machine learning projects, Appen offers a good entry point into tech-related data work. How it works. Appen offers data categorization, tagging, transcription, and search evaluation tasks, making it a digital librarian's dream job. You can select projects that match your skill level and interest, and since Appen handles a lot of AI-related projects, it's a great way to dip your toes into the tech industry without needing specialized training. Typical pay at Appen ranges between $11 to $14 per hour, with most users reporting payments via PayPal, convenient and secure. Pros: entry into AI work. Without needing a tech background, you can get experience with tasks that support AI development. User-friendly payment system. Payments are processed through PayPal, making it easy and efficient. Wide availability of tasks. You can usually find tasks available, keeping your earning potential steady. Cons: repetitive nature of tasks. Data categorization and tagging can feel monotonous, requiring self-discipline to stay focused. Opportunity score: 9 out of 10. Appen offers competitive pay and an easy way to earn while learning about AI, making it a top choice for data entry work in 2025. Another opportunity is SigTrack. For data entry enthusiasts interested in civic engagement or political work, SigTrack is an ideal platform that blends data entry with political involvement. SigTrack is dedicated to managing voter signatures and validating information, providing an opportunity to participate in the election process remotely. How it works. At SigTrack, your primary job will be to input and verify voter signatures, as well as cross-check voter registrations. Pay is based on entries and accuracy. The more accurate you are, the better your earnings. SigTrack's rates are 37 cents per signature and 15 cents per registration. High accuracy directly translates to more earnings, with average pay around $15 to $20 per hour if accuracy is maintained. Users have reported potential earnings up to $4,000 monthly, depending on workload and skill. Pros: high pay for accuracy. Those with sharp attention to detail are rewarded with competitive pay. Civic engagement, ideal for individuals passionate about supporting the democratic process. Training opportunities. SigTrack offers training to help you meet their accuracy standards. Cons: dual monitor requirement. SigTrack requires workers to have dual monitors, which may be a barrier for some. Complex payment structure. Accuracy-based pay can be a bit complicated, requiring workers to maintain high standards. Opportunity score, 9.5 out of 10. For accuracy-focused data entry enthusiasts, SigTrack offers a rewarding opportunity to support civic processes while earning well above the average rate. The final data entry opportunity on my list is Red 8. If you're looking for a more stable, full-time role in data entry, Red 8 provides a structured environment focused on tech data entry tasks. Red 8 is ideal for those who prefer full-time remote work with the potential for career growth. How it works. Red 8 hires remote data entry professionals to manage data for tech clients. Workers are expected to put in a standard 40-hour work week, Monday to Friday, 8 hours per day, with a starting wage of around $15.50 per hour. This role is perfect for anyone who wants a long-term commitment, and the tech industry's consistent growth makes it an excellent option for job security and potential internal advancement. Pros: full-time hours, ideal for individuals looking for a consistent, reliable income source. Career growth in tech. The tech industry's constant evolution creates potential for career advancement. Remote flexibility. Work from home while being part of a thriving, high-demand industry. Cons are repetitive tasks. Like other data entry jobs, it may become monotonous over time. Limited social interaction. Working remotely can feel isolating, as interaction is primarily virtual. Opportunity score, 9 out of 10. Red 8's full-time hours, competitive pay, and career opportunities make it a great choice for those looking for stability and growth in the data entry field. Final thoughts. Data entry is more than just typing. It's a gateway to flexible, remote work, with many roles offering above-average pay and growth potential. As we've seen, these 5 opportunities offer something for everyone, from flexible part-time gigs to full-time positions with benefits and advancement potential. Choosing the right platform depends on your goals and experience. Axion Data Services and SigTrack are ideal for those with a keen eye for detail and experience in data entry. If flexibility is your priority, Clickworker and Appen allow you to work from anywhere with varied tasks that keep the job interesting. For those aiming for stability and career advancement, Red 8 offers a full-time role in the tech sector, where growth and learning opportunities abound. With these 5 options, 2025 could be the year you find the remote data entry job that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career shift, each of these platforms offers a legitimate path to earning income online. Dive into data entry today and discover how working from home can open doors to a fulfilling and flexible future. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment and your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.